Hello and welcome to week 5 of English 112 Online, Johnson Community College, summer 2018. We are just rolling right along in this abbreviated version of this class. I know it seems like it's been a lot per week, but it's because it is a condensed summer class. But I'm proud of you for sticking with it thus far. Hang in there. It's only going to get worse. No, not really. Okay. But hang in there. The good news is if you've done your annotated bibliography and you did a good job on that, this next part isn't going to be so bad. So what are we doing this week? We're going to watch the week 5 videos, including the one you're watching right now. Yay. And then there's another video which will help you with the proposal. We'll talk about that in a second. You're going to work on your rhetorical analysis because that is due. Oops, rhetorical analysis. That is due by the 20th, which is next week. Okay. And again, that is all covered for last week. You get to work on the proposal paper. We're going to introduce the proposal paper. This is the big paper for the class. You're like, really? What have we been doing so far? Well, this is the big one, the proposal paper. You get to read chapter 13, proposal arguments, which a lot of that information is covered here in this video. You can also access chapter 13 from the required textbook over there. And then we have the assignment. So again, the rhetorical analysis, which was introduced, that is due by the 20th. The research log 8, which we'll get to in a second, is also due by the 20th. There's a midterm survey. Woo, midterm, really? Yeah, midterm. And then there is a quiz. All right, so let's walk through these. So again, the rhetorical analysis, you submit that right here. You click on rhetorical analysis. Again, if you want to see how I'm going to grade this, you click on view rubric. And this walks you through step by step of how you get to be graded on that assignment. It'd be a good idea to review that to make sure you earn the best grade possible on this assignment. Then you have written your annotated bibliography on a separate paper, and you're going to hit browse my computer, and you'll find it. Hit open, and you hit agree, and then you submit. So when you do your annotated bibliography, that's how you submit that one. I'm not going to hit submit because I'm not actually turning it in. Okay, so that takes care of the rhetorical analysis. I think I called it the annotated bibliography. I meant the rhetorical analysis. Yeah. All right, research log 8. So let's take a look at that. Research log 8, it's over here under research logs. Go down here. Okay, respond to the following prompt. You are halfway through English 112 online to this point. Woohoo! We have studied several concepts, including research, APA, and rhetorical analysis. Which concepts do you feel you completely understand? Which concepts are still a bit fuzzy? Also, what do you think about the course, the way this course is structured in Blackboard? Which aspects of the course design and the course content are helpful? And what changes would you propose to make the course better? Again, honest feedback here is appreciated. So if you're like, I just don't get this. We want to make this course better. I want to become a better teacher. So this is a good chance to just be, honest. I'm not really getting APA, or I understand this, or whatever. Oh, these videos are helpful. They're not helpful, whatever. Just be honest in research log number 8. Okay, let's go back to week 5. Okay, and then the midterm survey. So not only is there that introspection, there is also one that's more for me specifically. It's kind of along the lines of research log 8, but what elements of this class are working for you, find most effective? What elements of this class are not working for you, or you find least effective? What suggestions do you have for Professor Morgan to make this class better? It seems like it's the same thing. This one's a little more directed to me personally. Some of this stuff is just set up by the school. These assignments are created by the school, the rubrics by the school. I want to know feedback as far as how I'm presenting the information, if it's helping or not. Yeah, so there's the midterm survey. There's that. Okay. And then there is a quiz on chapter 13. That quiz, all that information that you need for this quiz is found in this video right here. So when you watch this video, it basically covers the points which are then quizzed here. You can also get that information from chapter 13 in the required textbook. All right. Next thing, and the last thing, is the proposal assignment. Boom, 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 boom. This is a text version of it. If you click on this, you can actually get to the text version. And you're like, what is going on here? Oh my goodness. Okay, well, the good news is this is just the text version that you can use for reference. To make things easier for you, I went over this same exact assignment in this video. So when you watch this video, it introduces the concept of proposals, but it also goes over the specifics of the next assignment. Okay. Again, the proposal paper is the paper that I've been hinting towards that you're supposed to be working on. You're going to be writing for this class. You've done all the research for it when you did the annotated bibliography. So now you're going to put that research into action, as it were. by creating a proposal paper. So that's what's going on here for week 5. Keep plugging along, keep hanging in there. You can do it. I believe in you, and make it happen.